In the early 2000s, BC's school districts realized that no individual school district had the finances and/or skills to build a large number of quality online resources. Therefore, in 2008, they pooled their finances and skilled teachers into what we call the BC Learning Network, or BCLN. BCLN has been extremely successful at filling this need for quality resources and has grown to consist of 49 BC school districts and the Yukon. The main goal of BCLN is to collaboratively create quality online resources that can be used by each BC school district within their various schools and programs to improve student learning. Every cent input into the BCLN goes directly into improving student learning. Each summer, districts download a new set of updated resources from the BCLN site. This amounts to over 70 courses, which teachers can use and modify for their personal situation. It's also worth noting that none of these 70 courses require the use of a textbook, saving thousands for programs and schools across BC. BCLN resources are updated regularly to represent the latest BC IRPs. This allows districts to easily support their teachers' needs as they look for guidance with new curriculum and/or new courses. At the same time, teachers who are being supported are also being introduced to a variety of 21st century teaching techniques. They learn about integrating technology into their classrooms, while also promoting higher order and critical thinking among their students. BCLN has worked with UBC, the Critical Thinking Consortium, and other agencies to integrate a variety of best teaching practices into the resources. Also, the very nature of online resources promote a personalized learning environment, as blended learning teachers evolve to less standing lectures, which are more supported by media and videos, and instead, they're able to more easily interact with each student and better understand individual needs, teaching and assessing students individually. The current priority for BCLN development is the release of core grade 5 through 9 courses, all aligned with the new curriculum. BCLN will have these resources available for districts to implement in September 2016. These courses include all math, science, English, socials, as well as physical and health education courses for grades 5 through 9. Each course is being organized by Curriculum Big Ideas, and these courses include videos, games, media, worksheets, lessons, and projects, all promoting the core competencies. BCLN also has a developer dedicated to the appropriate insertion of First Nation aspects throughout all of the courses, through the collaboration with Finesse and First Nation bands. BC Learning Network's resources have allowed districts to run specialty, distance learning, and alternative programs where personalized learning is a requirement, and online resources are common tools. As the educational world is becoming more comfortable with the use of technology and recognizing the benefits, BCLN resources are becoming increasingly used by classroom teachers to create blended learning environments for their students. BCLN, recognizing the trend of distance learning stabilizing in BC and blended learning growing, has been slowly evolving the online resources to be easily integrated into a classroom. Teachers integrating online resources into the classroom have been creating extremely dynamic and flexible environments for their students. Blended learning environments can look very different one to the next. The same resources can be used by different teachers to create a variety of environments, depending on the needs of the students and teachers. The labels for these environments include flipped classroom, self-paced learning, technology stations, flexible learning, video conferencing, virtual classroom, mastery learning, virtual support, online enrichment. All are blended learning environments and are typically based on BCLN's online resources. Education in BC has been extremely progressive in the last 10 years. So BC Learning Network was a necessity for BC districts to keep up with all the changes and continually improve student learning opportunities. BCLN has not only allowed districts to develop quality distance learning programs in the past, but is also central to classroom change in BC for the future. BCLN allows BC districts to save money while improving opportunities for teacher development and student learning.